Okay, so here's the ball drop. Basically, it's going to have framing like this, except we're going to fill in all these grooves here, so that way balls can't get trapped in there. You can see there's some trapped in there right now. So those will all be filled in. Basically what you do, use the balls that are on there, get some new ones, roll them to your holes. It's going to be super easy to see any doubles. Basically, like that's a double. You just kind of flip everything down so it's nice and smooth and you're good to go. We were thinking we're going to put this at maybe just a slight angle, maybe if we need it. So that way the balls can all roll down to the bottom here. And then that way you can just bring them up. Kind of whatever, however that works, or however you want it. I think it's going to be pretty slick though and work pretty good. As far as the tray is going to go underneath it. This will sit up a little higher and have a backstop for the tray, so you just slide the tray underneath. I am still waiting for just the material to come to get that'll make this go all the way over. These bars are too short. You then also have a handle here at the end that's going to be where you pull on to drop the balls. So basically, when you get all the balls in here, all you would do is load the tray underneath it, pull on the handle. It has about a half inch until the drop. So you just pull on that, they all drop in your bottles and you're good to go. Then you would just put it back over and restart. If you got any questions on this, let me know. Should be ready to go sometime next week. Sorry for the delay on this. We did get the other 12 trays done and should be shipping those out shortly. Thank you.